Come along with me as I prepare dinner for my family. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. To my new viewers and subscribers, you're most welcome to asedoskitchen. Today I'm cooking chicken, kale and turmeric rice. I've got all my ingredients ready, which makes the cooking process quick and smooth. The kids are at school and my baby is asleep, so I'll jump right in. I start by seasoning the chicken to give it enough time to marinate. I season it with black pepper, coriander powder, garlic powder, cumin powder, paprika, rosemary, and vegeta. I add extra virgin olive oil and mix until the chicken is well coated. I let this marinate in the fridge and start cooking the kale. I won't go into much detail because I will link my kale recipes in the description. As I'm making this, I want to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you for your continued support. Kindly share your experience in the comments and invite your friends and family to join our family. Doing this will help YouTube recommend this channel to more people. I saute the onions and add the tomatoes. I prefer fresh kale, but frozen kale is a good substitute. It works well, especially on a day like today when I'm in a hurry. I add the kale, cover on low heat and proceed to wash the rice. I check on the kale and add vegeta and garlic paste. I always add salt to taste at the end if needed to avoid oversalting the kale. This is because vegeta also contains salt. I mix to combine and cover on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. For the rice, I heat some oil and fry the onions until they turn golden. I add the washed rice. I add turmeric powder and stir the rice to combine. I stir for 2 to 3 more minutes or until the rice is toasted before adding water. I add salt to taste, mix to combine, and add cardamom pods, cloves, and a cinnamon stick. I bring this to a full boil, then I reduce the heat to low and cook the rice until all liquid is absorbed into the rice. At this point, I turn the heat off, remove the cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, and fluff the rice. If you like the rice soft, it might seem like the rice is slightly undercooked, but do not be tempted to add more water because it might turn mushy. Instead, cover it tightly with a piece of foil and place the lid on. The trapped heat will complete the cooking process. I set it aside and start cooking the chicken. I heat a grill pan, add olive oil and start cooking the chicken. I add the chicken onto the hot pan, but I cook it on medium heat. This ensures that it cooks evenly. Cooking chicken on high heat will burn the outside of the chicken and leave the inside raw. According to my channel's analytics, almost 80% of viewers are not subscribed to my channel. If you find the channel helpful and you are yet to subscribe, kindly consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you're alerted whenever I put up new recipes. The aroma of the food is amazing. This is what it looks like and it was delicious. If you try this recipe, please let us know how you go in the comments section. This is all I have for you today. Bye for now and see you all in my next video.